The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle is about a caterpillar who emerges from an egg and comes out very, very hungry. He finds various things to eat, such as apples, pears, plums, strawberries, oranges, and even some desserts like ice cream and chocolate cake. He didn't feel very well after eating all of this, but then he ate through a green leaf and began to feel much better. He grew bigger and bigger until he built a cocoon around himself. Eventually, he chewed his way out, and out flew a beautiful, beautiful butterfly. We chose to use the standard 2L1, Understand Animal Life Cycles. More specifically, 2L11 summarized the life cycle of animals including birth, developing into adulthood, aging, and death. This, along with the next-gen standard 1LS11, which includes how plants and animals use their external parts to survive, grow, meeting their needs, are addressed in the book along within our lesson plan. This science concept is the main feature within our book. Other concepts you can consider within this book, but outside of our choosing, would be specific dietary needs of animals or insects, because the caterpillar needs the leaf in order to feel better and to grow. During the engage portion of our lesson, we would have students work on a 3D coloring picture of a butterfly. While students were coloring, teachers walk around and allow students to see their 3D masterpiece on Quiver, while also asking questions to get their thoughts going. For the explore, the teacher will read The Very Hungry Caterpillar and then have the students get into small groups to share their thoughts and ideas, along with acting out or creating a skit about the life cycle of a butterfly. This is all without teacher guidance. During the explanation phase, students will watch a 5-minute clip on the life cycle of a butterfly that goes into further detail of each phase. Once finished, the teacher will answer any questions. Students will be placed back into small groups and they will be asked to take turns explaining what exactly they did during the explore phase and why they believe that it accurately depicts the life cycle of a butterfly. For elaborating, the students will be creating a short story about the caterpillar within the book. They will be asked to speak about the life cycle, but can create whatever details they want around it. Our evaluate phase consists of a worksheet that students fill out independently that requires them to write sentences and place the cycle in the correct order. To close, students will be placed back into their small groups and will now act out one of their short stories that they wrote during the elaborate phase. ELA is integrated into our elaborate stage with the short stories and our evaluate stage with the sentence writing. From this lesson, our objective is that students know that animals experience a cycle of life which begins with birth, then a period of time in which the animal develops into an adult, and the details of the life cycle are different for different animals.